What's up guys, it's Flash with tradingwithflash.com. Welcome back to another episode of What Top Stock YouTubers to Follow. In today's episode, it is financial education, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. So financial education is on about 240,000 subscribers, so by no means is he small. He definitely is one of the larger stock channels out there. He definitely is within region of the top 5 to top 10 channels in terms of size on subscribers. So I did start following this channel when I did start trading. I found he had some really good basic beginner advice videos. It's more of a kind of knowledgeable channel, and he kind of gives you great advice. You'll really notice he has a real cool personality. It's kind of high energy, so his channel is by no means boring. And the videos are kind of really good the way they're laid out. I do like what he's doing with his channel. What you need to know about financial education is he is not a day trader. So if you are looking to day trade, this is not the channel for you. What he is kind of a long-term investor. So he invests into companies and he will hold his positions for quite some time. What's interesting is his style is completely different. So he's not a momentum trader, as I said. He's not a day trader. He doesn't short sell. He doesn't recommend really any of these things. But the reason why I think you might find value in his content is he opens up your eyes about a different form of investing. He also makes quite high content videos on basic topics, different tips, how to get started in the market and other tips like that, which I find will be helpful for beginners. But as I said, his style of trading is completely different. I haven't really come across that on YouTube. I don't trade like that at all. But nonetheless, I am a fan of his channel. He does trade mid to large cap stocks. But what I do really like about what his advice is, he has a unique way of looking into a company and breaking it down. Me as a day trader, I don't use this form of investing. So it's not really relevant to me, but I found it quite interesting on how he does break down his companies and make his decision on his investment. So it is quite interesting. You will notice if you do watch his content. Like I said guys, he does not really do any videos on live trading, so if you are looking for someone to watch to do live trades, he is not your guy. There is other people out there, but if it is a type of investing you're looking to get into, long-term swing trading or even swing trading, maybe you should give his channel a look up. Overall guys, I am a big fan of financial education. I really like what he's doing with his channel. He is putting out really good content there for beginners to advanced traders in that specific area that you're looking for. He seems like an honest guy, and as I said, he's doing something right with his channel because it is that size. So fair play to you, financial education, keep it up. Once again guys, I want to thank you for your support so far, and thanks for another episode of What Top Stock YouTubers to Follow. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are a beginner looking to get into trading stocks, I did prepare a full A to Z module on how to get started in the stock market. It is absolutely free, so go check it out. Once again guys, God bless.